Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS tables. And right now we'll be discussing about table borders. To specify table borders in CSS, you need to use the CSS property which is border property. This property is going to be the one that creates the borders for you in your HTML table. So let me show you how this works quickly. This is our document that we want to add some table there. So now let's go there. This is our document. Let's quickly create a table. Creating table, I need 3 rows in our table. The first row is going to be the caption page, caption, where this one will take the table caption. I'll call this table caption. The second row is going to be the second row, table row, is going to have the table header, which is th. The th is going to have the table head. So the third row is going to be tr, which is the table role. The third row, which is t, is going to have the table data, which is td. So I'm going to call this table data. So now let's save our document and see what we got here. Can you see now we are having table caption, table head, and table data. Now let's give all these things, let's give them borders using CSS. You are going to see the benefit of using the CSS borders. So now let's select our table in our CSS. So this is our internal CSS. We want to give this a table. Now let's give it a border. Give this table a border. Let's give it border to pencil solid blue. Let's give it blue and save our document and see what we got. Can you see now we are having border around our table, but this head we want it also to have a border, and this data also, and also this caption we want all of them to have border. So now what we are going to do is that inside here we are going to do multiple selection. You can check our CSS multiple selectors, so you can be able to understand what I'm doing right here. Th, you are going to select the th. Let's save our document now, which is the table header. Let's reload. Can you see now the table header is having this border. Now remain this one and this one, the table data and table caption. Now let's give the table data also, comma td, which is the table data. Now let's reload our document. When I reload, can you see now our table data is also having the border. Now remain the table caption. So let's comma again and give it caption. So when I do this and reload my document, you are going to see, can you see now the caption page is now having border also. Now can you see our table is looking nice now. Now we can now get to our HTML level and add more tables. Maybe we need multiple tables right here. You can just double this data. Maybe we want the data to be like 3 data inside our table. Let me paste this 3 data. So let's save our document and reload. Can you see now I'm having 1, 2, 3 data. So if we want the data or the head to long to be like 3 head, 3 data, so we can add multiple head also like this. We can come here, take the th, which is the table head, we can paste it like this. We are going to have double table. Can you see now we are having 2 head. Now we are having 2 head, and we can add one more if we want. Depends on how many lines of rows, how many lines of columns you want in a row. This is 3 column, and all this our data is on 1 column. So now let's say we want the data, the second data to be on, to have 3 column, to be on 3 column, and we want the last data to be on 2 column. So now let's reload our document. You are going to see, can you see now the second data is on 3 column, the third data is on 2 column. So that's how you can manipulate your table using CSS border. As you can see, our table is looking nice now. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. I have more cool trick I can show you right here. Like if you don't put this tr, it can destroy your document. So I want you guys to try it, because if you do this is what make your document a block document. But if you don't put the tr there, it's going to be an inline table. Now let me reload our document. When I remove, can you see now all this is having, like, as you can see, even if I remove this one now, everything is just going to be an inline table document. Now let's reload our document. You are going to see what will happen. Can you see only this head that I have the tr there is the one that is inside the 3 row. Can you see the tr is the one that control our table for us very well. So when I remove the tr there, can you see our table is just on one line? But when you put the tr, which is mean that table row, you are defining every row. You are defining single row for your for your document. So every row is having tr. So tr is mean that you are talking about the role. Can you see? Now we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. As you can see right here, we are having tr, and the th, td. So that's what I have for you guys. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. As you can see, we have used our border right here, and you can do more to it. If you want, you can add more properties to it. But right now, you can see the effect of using the border. Let's say for instance, now we remove our caption out of here. You're going to see that the caption border is not going to be there again. Can you see? No more border in our caption again. So that's how it goes. And if by mistakenly we remove the td, which is the table data, also the caption is not going to be there. Can you see all the data that is there? Can you see no any border there? And if we mistakenly remove the th, which is the table data, let's remove this one and reload. Can you see now nothing is inside our table header? So that's what I'll have for you guys. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And what I call it there first, my name once again.